Kwa mbele ni Jatend migao ma Tudruok Eliud Owalo onyiso bad migao mochung'ne weche puothe mondo mi oruak chenro mar lony manyasani kaka okang' mar reso sekta no. Migosi Owalo nolero ni lony manyasani ema koro nyalo konyo weche mag kano nonro mag puothe e yo malong'o ma onge kod mindni. Wacho magi kinde mano yuore nyasi hingo weche mag lony manyasani mano bagi ka tiegruok ma Kenya School of Government. Esechego bende okwayo bad migao no mondo mi one ni ochiwo puonj ne oganda e weche mag lony manyasani e puothe.
We are discussing a space that has already reached goal. Our chief guest, I want to look at chief guest. I seek to shorten my. Allow me.
As a ministry, we have embarked on a major digital skilling program. I want again to extend an invitation to you to work with us in partnership so that in the process you ensure that we get customized training for all those involved in all aspects of land management so that you get relevant digital skilling among the Kenyan population and public officials.
One of the challenges in the land sector in delay of digitization is exactly that. There are many. There are cartels, there are fraudsters, there are many people, both out and inside, who are not happy with transparency through digitization. But that will be a thing of the past.
In terms of transparency, and I'm happy with the chair, once you have digital space, you can see on the platforms that we'll have who has this and who doesn't have. With the analog types, with the paperwork, you can easily fake that, but you can't go